like escrow.com. See, an escrow service protects both the buyer and the seller by holding the money until both parties are satisfied with the deal and the deal is all done. Everybody's happy. I would be very, very, very reluctant to use an escrow service the seller recommends, because the scam is the seller owns the fake escrow service, all right? You pay them the money thinking it's safe, and they take the money and they don't deliver the domain to you. All right. Now, now this next warning is kind of funny, but it's funny for us, but it's not necessarily for the website owners. But here's the thing. Make sure your domain doesn't spell out something weird. Now, I'm going to put in the show notes the link to a place called boardpanda.com and the worst domain names. All right, but I'm going to give you some. Some of them are a little racy here, folks, not really explicit, but it's something you really need to pay attention to when you pick a domain name to make sure it doesn't read a different way when people look at it. So I'll give you some examples here. I can't help but laugh my way through it. So, therapist in a box turns out to look like the rapist in a box. And there's also one therapist finder, which is therapistfinder.com. Okay, so crazy. Now, this next one is a travel site for penisland.net. And it reads penisland.net when you look at it. Now, this next one, this guy I've known for a long time, and he kind of got mad at me. He came up to me at an event, and he said, "Hey, Tom, what do you think about all this stuff I developed here?" And I started laughing because I thought he was kidding me. But the guy is into intellectual property and how you can make money licensing it to companies, and all great information, right? But I start laughing when he shows me his paperwork. He says he got the domain, and it stands for intellectual property money, but it says IP money. I don't know if he scrapped it or if he went through with it, but he wasn't very happy with me for pointing that out, because I couldn't help but laugh uncontrollably at that one. IP money. Here's another one. Expertsexchange.com. That seems like a good place to go to find experts, right? Well, if you look at it, it says expertsexchange.com. Now, another one is an artistic site. It's speedofart.com, and it reads speedofart.com. I'm having a good time here, folks. This other site was for the North of Boston Jewish Singles.org. and the website is abbreviated nobjs.org. Another one was Choose Spain. It was another travel site, but it looks like choosespain.com. And the last one is Web1.